Ever get that feeling? Stuck in traffic, staring at a construction sign, wondering, why is this bridge always under construction?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
I mean, seriously, it's like they just finished fixing it. But, what if there was a way to, predict these problems before they bring traffic to a standstill?
That would be something.
And that's exactly what we're diving into today. Not the traffic part, but the super cool tech that's revolutionizing how we take care of those massive structures.
Sounds interesting.
Think drones, 3D models, so detailed it's like holding a tiny bridge in your hand. Oh, and AI, basically like having an expert sidekick.
Okay, I'm intrigued. What are we looking at today?
Today, we're going deep on Manam's 3D BIA software, a system literally designed to change the game when it comes to bridge inspections. And our source, Manam themselves.
Straight from the source. Love it. So, how does it work?
So picture this. Instead of, those images of folks dangling precariously off the side of a bridge with, clipboards.
Yeah, always a little nerve-wracking to look at.
Right. We've got drones doing a full 360, a complete sweep of the entire bridge. No spot missed.
Ah, so it's about getting that full coverage, which is really key when you think about it. We need that complete picture of the bridge's health and traditional inspections. They can be, well, limited by access points, by what the human eye can realistically see. But these drones, they're getting data from every nook and cranny.
It's like comparing a snapshot to a panoramic photo.
Exactly. Perfect analogy. And all that data, it's not just for show, It's used to create what they call a digital twin, basically a highly accurate 3D model of the bridge.
Okay, so instead of just, eyeballing it, inspectors now have this super detailed digital replica they can analyze right on their computer screen. That's incredible.
Right. And this is where it gets really, really cool. Remember that whole AI co-pilot idea I mentioned? Well, this is where it comes in. So you're an inspector, right? You're looking at this massive 3D model.
I'm trying to imagine it, yeah.
And the AI, it's like your guide, right? It's analyzing all that data, all those nooks and crannies, and it's highlighting areas that might need a closer look.
Hold on. I got to ask, how does the AI actually know what to look for?
It all comes down to pattern recognition. See, the AI is trained on massive, and I mean massive, data sets of bridge images. It learns to identify those really subtle signs of damaged things that even a trained eye might miss.
What sorts of things? Give us some examples.
Well, we're talking like tiny cracks, corrosion, even the slightest shifts in the structure, things that could be easy to overlook, but
it could mean big problems down the line.
Exactly. So it's like having an extra set of, super-powered eyes scanning that bridge for you.
That's amazing. So we've got the drone capturing every detail, the software creating this incredible 3D model, and then the AI swooping in to point out potential issues. But then what? What happens next?
Well, that's where the decision tree comes in, and this is a really cool part. The software, it doesn't just point out the problem. It goes a step further, analyzes the severity and type of damage, and then, get this, it actually suggests potential repair strategies.
Wait, it gets even better, right? The document, it mentions cost estimates, too. This is a total game changer if it can actually do that accurately.
It is. I mean, imagine, you've got this information right at your fingertips before repairs even begin. That means better planning, more accurate budgeting. You can minimize those risks of, those unexpected costs and delays.
And that's huge, right? Because those delays often mean
graphic nightmares.
Exactly. So we've gone from reactive repairs, oh no, the bridge is falling apart, someone fix it quick, to, proactive maintenance. We're identifying and addressing issues before they become major headaches.
It really is a fundamental shift in how we think about and approach infrastructure management. And, this deep dive is focused on bridges, but
it could apply to so much more.
Exactly. Think about it. Roads, tunnels, buildings, even entire cities. The possibilities, they're pretty vast.
It makes you wonder, right? What if the future of infrastructure, what if it's less about those orange cones and detour signs and more about, smart tech working quietly in the background, keeping things running smoothly?
That's a future I can get behind.
It definitely gives you something to think about. If this peek behind the curtain of, bridge inspections has you curious, you're in the right place. Keep exploring, keep those questions coming, and join us next time as we dive into another fascinating corner of our world.